everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. It comes to us with stiff handle and with leaking from the bottom, so I just replaced the heating element gasket and I put a tune-up on the machine. So in the tune-up I replaced all of these gaskets as you see, and this thing, the side glass kit, and those for the side glass kit. And I also found out this, if you look at the power switch, you notice it's high from here and low from there, so that's broken. It was okay, works, but it's dangerous, it's not safe, so I just replaced it too. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot on it. Okay, with the new gasket, let me just put again some coffee there. Yeah, I just vacuumed it and I put coffee again. It is harder with the newer gasket, but it needs to be tight like that. There you go. For 4 seconds, then get a really nice shot from this Pavoni. It's even with the crema, so this is perfect. So let's test the steamer. That works great. And I also always like to test it. Oops. Okay, without the portafilter. Nice. So the machine functioning perfect. The pressure is okay in the limit. And thank you for watching.